And welcome back. In the last video, we followed Sarah, someone who absolutely loves traveling, loves looking up holidays online, and loves adventure. And we used ChatGPT to help her brainstorm her first business idea. So we asked the right questions with the right prompts, and just like that, the clarity began to unfold. But what if, unlike Sarah, you don't even know what lights you up? Or maybe you've just forgotten, you haven't given yourself time to even think about it. What if all you know is that you're meant for much more than your life is right now, and you're feeling very stuck? Well, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you will have such clarity about the next steps that you can take to unleash your dreams. Hi, and for anyone who's new here, I'm Lisa, and I'm a self-taught artist and entrepreneur. And The Happy Artist is my channel where I will share my journey with you all, helpful tips and tools. Whether you want to start your own art business or just delve into anything creative, then this is the place for you. So I want to start the video by asking you a question. When was the last time that you really paused, that you let yourself imagine a life that feels really exciting to you? Not the version that others expect from you, not one filled with shoulds and have-tos, but a life that you can't wait to jump out of bed in the morning for. And with the help of ChatGPT today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this life, to rediscover your passions, to get clear on what you want your life to look like, and even if you've felt lost for a very long time. Because ChatGPT isn't just a tool for people in business, writing emails and drafting content, because when you know how to use it with purpose, and with the right prompts, it really can become like a personal coach, a creative partner, and even a mirror reflecting your true potential back to you. So today we're going to start from exactly where you are. Okay, so we're here in ChatGPT, and I'm going to give you a couple of prompts to ask. So we're going to start with the first one, which is help me explore what I'm naturally drawn to by asking reflective questions. And we're just going to click the arrow, and ChatGPT is going to start on its reflective questions for us here. So with ChatGPT, what happens is it normally asks you a question back, so it keeps the conversation going. But I'm going to give you just clear prompts to put in, but feel free to go with it, because when something sparks a bit of curiosity or interest, just to keep asking questions back. And it is like a conversation. So it's giving me creative inclinations, what kind of activities make you completely lose track of time. It will go to emotional compass. What kind of environments, natural, urban, noisy, quiet, etc. do you feel most alive in? So it really is like going back to basics, because these are questions that I don't know if we ask ourselves very often, and they do get you to reflect. So it's kind of like journaling with ChatGPT. Are there certain subjects in life or art that stir a strong emotional response in you? It goes on to intuition, identity. What kinds of people or stories are you consistently inspired by? That's a really good one, actually, because even for me, when I was trying to find where I'd start with my art journey, I went on Pinterest, and you kind of find that you're drawn to the same styles or types. So it's similar to that. Is there a part of your childhood that influences your tastes, interests, or style today? So anyway, obviously it's going to be different answers for everyone. So I'm not going to be going through the questions or the answers. This is just to give you the prompts. So you don't have to answer all of these questions. You can choose a few different ones to answer, but it's a way of ChatGPT just getting some information from you, because it will want to piece together some patterns or themes. And it says, would you like me to group your answers into creative profile once we go through a few? So it'll just be really interesting how it will all come together. And I'm going to give you the second prompt to ask, can you guide me through a self-discovery exercise to uncover my passions? So with this self-discovery exercise, ChatGPT will help you just uncover your passions. So this is really, if you don't have any idea, it really does get you thinking. So self-discovery exercise, think of 3 specific moments in your life where you felt deeply alive, fulfilled, or joyful, no matter how big or small. Identify the common threads, look back at those moments. What emotions did I feel? Were there any repeated themes? Tap into childhood clues. Feel the energy shift, define your passion ingredients, connect to possibilities. So again, all of these, as you're going through them, if you've more questions or something comes up, just go with it, keep going with it. Because the more that you're putting in here, the more the ChatGPT is getting a bit of clarity. So you can see, even by just typing a few questions like this, it just helps you get a bit of clarity. You don't have to have the perfect answer or anything like that, and don't overthink it. So once you have a few clues now about what really excites you, now it's time to really feel it. So this is where you're going to paint the picture of your dream life. And this is where this very interesting prompt comes in. Using bullet points I will provide you, please write a day in the life story that captures that life. The story should begin early morning and unfold naturally throughout the day, ending in the evening. Include key events, describe my surroundings, interactions, thoughts, emotions. Use first person present tense. Before you begin, ask me any questions you need to understand my vision fully. So ChatGPT here will come back with some vision questions: setting and location. What kind of creative work passions do you engage during the day? People, relationships, who do you see there with you? Your mood, your emotions, activities. So some bullet points that I would put in myself: waking up by the sea, slow mornings, creativity, impactful work, and obviously this is going to be different for everyone. So again, there's no point in me boring you with my bullet points, because this is all about you. So this is just to give you the prompts. So we'll continue to ask you questions, and don't worry, because you don't have to have all the answers, because obviously if you're feeling a bit lost and unsure, you're not going to have the answers. So ChatGPT will, based on some of your answers, will fill in some blanks, and that's where you can go, oh, that sounds like me. No, that doesn't sound like me. And you can tweak things, but it's just about starting small and building up this vision for yourself. The idea is that it's describing a story, a day in your life, because the more real it feels, the more that you can visualize it in your own life, and that's your starting point. So start small. Give yourself 10 minutes, even though I know it's going to take you much longer, because it is really cool when you start getting into it. Just take 10 minutes, type one of the prompts or a couple of them, and just see how it unfolds. This is where you let yourself imagine again, because that dream version of you, she is not as far away as you might think. So once again, remember that you are not behind, you are not too late, and sometimes the first step is just asking the right question, and then just listening to what your heart says back. So today we cracked open the door to possibility, we dreamed, we explored a little, and we let curiosity lead the way. But now what? In the next video, I'll show you how to go even deeper, to ask better, clearer questions that will help you uncover your passions, to learn new skills, and even sketch out a business idea based on what you actually love. So if you've ever felt unsure or stuck, like you are meant for something more, then the next part is definitely for you. So you've already taken the first step, and I'll meet you in the next video so we can take the next one together. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to save the prompts. I'll have them in the description below, and please try one tonight. Honestly, just let yourself feel what's possible again, and I will see you all soon in the next video. Thanks, bye.